Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to register your Juniper Uinta. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've opened up Uinta. I'm on the home project screen, and I'm going to head to the three bars in the top right corner. That's going to open up my side menu here, and in that menu here I'm going to select About, and you're going to see here right now I have no license associated with this copy of Uinta. Now I can either change my existing license key, let's say I've renewed my software, or I can register a license. So either menu is going to look pretty much identical. So if I hit change license key here, I can type in whatever my software key is. Obviously, for the point of this video, I'm just putting in a bogus key. But once I have that entered, I would hit submit, and it would allow me to register my copy of Uinta. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you register Juniper's Uinta within the application. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.